Sirkal kod lakteche okwa mondo owe mako chung ma thiro twak ma tieko ng'anyo ma lakteche. Jotend din e kaunti ma Siaya kotelnegi kod Bishop mar kanisa mar Anglikana Joseph Otieno Wasonga oyango ni ng'anyono ma koro ni odiechienge ma 56 oserocho thieth kendo ji bende wito ngimagi. Reverend Wasonga okwayo winjruok mapiyo mondo mi thieth odogi e wang'e.
We know they tirelessly serve our communities, but now they are forced to take drastic action due to their demands that have not been taken seriously by the government, and we therefore want to call upon the government to take the doctors seriously, and the doctors to also be willing to discuss looking at the reality we are facing as a country today. So our call is for the government to play their part and the doctors to also come to table and swiftly engage in dialogue and agree on back to work formula.